Matthew 19:6 says, "What God hath joined together, let no man put asunder." Ang pinagsama at pinagbuklod ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalay ng tao. Kaya after this wedding, Billy and Eileen, wala nang pwedeng makapagpahiwalay sa inyo. Walang tao o sitwasyon o kahit problema makapaghiwalay sa inyo.
Nagkakilala kami sa may kampo. Kasi nung nag-report siya, madalas ko siya nakikita na parang ang tahimik naman na babae. Tapos na parang lagi ko siya napapansin na gano'n na ang sarap niya makilala.
Si Billy, siya yung taong may paninindigan tsaka prinsipyo sa buhay. Responsableng tao at sobrang mapagmahal. Mahal niya ako ng higit pa sa kanyang sarili. Ngayong magpapamilya na tayo, pinapangako ko na magiging mabuti akong asawa at ina sa ating mga anak. Susuportahan kita sa lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin sa iyong buhay, sa iyong karir bilang sundalo. Patuloy nating serbisyuhan ng bayan at ang ating pamilya para sa magkaroon tayo ng mabuti at masayang hindi lang pamilya, pagsasama at karir na rin sa ating
Under the stars, I see everything that led to where we are. And I wouldn't change a thing. Under the moon, all the wishing that we did is coming true. Like I got magic up my sleeve. And you can't fight the moonlight when it's moving in. And the feeling you're giving me, I'm giving it.
to bless the joining together of Billy Joe and Eileen in holy matrimony. The bond and covenant of marriage was established by God in creation, and our Lord Jesus Christ adored this manner of life by His presence at the first miracle in wedding in Cana of Galilee. It signifies to us the union of husband and wife in one heart, mind, and soul is intended by God for their mutual joy, for help and comfort given one to another in prosperity and in adversity. And when it is God's will, for the procreation of the children of the knowledge of the love of the Lord. That's why this afternoon, Billy Joe and Eileen, marriage should not be entered into a lightly or unadvisedly, but reverently and deliberately in the purpose of God for marriage. This afternoon, before we proceed, is there anyone here who knows by a reason why these two should not get married? You may say so, or forever hold your peace. Pero po ba nakakalam ng dahilan bakit po hindi matutuloy ang kasalang ito? Maaari po magsalita o manahimik habang buhay. Ang bilid po sa akin ni Pilo Joe, kung meron daw pong tututol, hindi kayo kakain mamaya sa reception. Just kidding. Let's begin our ceremony by a word of prayer. May I ask everyone, let's bow our heads, let's close our eyes, let's all pray. Gracious God, our hearts are filled with great happiness on this wedding day of Billy Joe and Eileen. They come before you, pledging their hearts and their minds one to another. It is sacred. God said it is not good for man to be alone. That's why this afternoon, after this wedding, Billy Joe here will have a partner, a helpmate in life in the person of Eileen. Three things I would like to remind both of you. What is marriage according to the Holy Scripture? Number one, marriage is bonding. Matthew 19:6 says, what God hath joined together, let no man put asunder. Ang pinagsama at pinagbuklod ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalay ng tao. Kaya after this wedding, Billy and Eileen, wala nang pwedeng makapagpahiwalay sa inyo. Walang tao o sitwasyon o kahit problema makapaghiwalay sa inyo. Number two, marriage is binding. The book of Ephesians says, marriage is mystery, two will become one. Kaya ikaw, Eileen, dadali mo apelido ni Billy Joe, you will be Mrs. Costales. And number three, marriage is about building. As you build your family, Billy and Eileen, always remember in Psalms 127 verse 1 it says, except the Lord build the house, they labor in vain that build it. The secret of a good marriage, a good relationship, always put God in the center of your marriage. He should be the foundation of your home. So this afternoon, Billy Joe and Eileen, in front of your witnesses, are you ready to proclaim your love and commitment for each other? Please stand up. You face each other. Hold each other's hand, please. Billy Joe, do you take Eileen to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you honor, love her, cherish her, commit to her, and trust her through joy and pain, in sickness and in health, and whatever life may throw at both of you, till death do you part?
I do, sir.
Eileen, do you take Billy Joe to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you honor, love him, cherish him, commit to him, and trust him through joy and pain, in sickness and in health, and whatever life may throw at both of you, till death do you part?
I do.
Can we have your ring? The symbol of your love and your commitment for each other. This ring signifies binding. It signifies commitment. Ang singsing na ito ay maglalarawan sa iyo, Billy Joe. Alam ninyo, kamatayan lang pwede makapag-iwalay sa inyo. So this afternoon, in front of your witnesses, before you exchange ring, you can say your vow, your promise for each other. Let's begin with Billy. Billy, your vow, your promise to Eileen.
Love, mahal na mahal kita. At nandito lagi ako para sa iyo at susuportahan kita hanggang sa huli. Yun lang.
Love, sa harap ng maraming tao, pinapatunayan ko ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Mananatili ako na mapagmahal na asawa at mabuting ina sa ating mga anak. Patuloy kitang mamahalin ng higit sa aking sarili. Iingatan kita, susuportahan sa iyong mga gustong karir na marating pa. Patuloy nating paalabin yung pagmamahal na meron sa ating dalawa, pati sa ating mga anak na parating. Ano naman yan. Mahal na mahal kita. Walang hanggan yun.
Eileen, I give you this ring as a symbol of my everlasting love for you. I give you this ring as a sign of our loving commitment to each other. I offer it this ring to wear as a symbol of a breakable bond.
Billy Joe, I give you this ring as a symbol of my everlasting love for you. I give you this ring as a sign of our love and commitment for each other. I offer you this ring to wear as a symbol of our unbreakable bond.
This time, may we call the parents. Both parents of Billy Joe and Eileen join us here. Palapakan po natin ang kanilang mga magulang.
Sana magsama kayo ng maayos. Magmahalan kayo. Kung nag-aaway man kayo, sana pag-usapan nyo ng maayos. Huwag niyong patagalin. Tsaka sana, kung nagagalit ang isa, manahimik muna ang isa para magkasundo kayo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo mga anak. Kung may problema kayo, nandito lang ako. Always. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Magmahalan kayo, huwag kayong mag-away. Yun lang.
Sa akin, mahalan, iwasan yung away. Nabili, mahalin mo ng kaibigan ko. Salamat.
Minsan pa, palapakan po natin ang mga magulang. Thank you so much, parents. You can go back to your seats or witnesses. Ang mga ninong at ninang po, palapakan din po natin sila. So stand up, please. Through your words, you have joined the holy wedlock, because they have exchanged their vows before God and these witnesses, and have pledged their commitment to love and cherish one another until the end, by declaring, by joining your hands and exchanging your rings. By the authority vested by me by this republic as your solemnizing officer, I, Reverend John Valenzuela, do pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations! You are now Mr. and Mrs. Billy Joe M. Costales. Billy Joe, the moment you're waiting for, you may kiss your bride.
Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Nagustuhan mo ba kaya ako'y hagkan na
Here we stand, the world awaits. We'll let the stars tonight light the way. Hand in hand, through light or rain. It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful.
Are you guys ready to have fun tonight? Parang wala talagang energy ang lahat ng mga kapamilya ng ating new... Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Kusot, 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 and kusot. One more time. Kusot, 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 and kusot. Pero mas maganda, kusot, and kusot. O diba, kayang-kaya ni mga roll and roll. One more time. Roll, 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 and roll. Double, single, single, double, double. You know, kayang-kaya ni Mother Buzz. Alright, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Step, roll, step, and roll. One more time. Step, roll, step, and roll. Yon! Clap, clap, and clap. So, kayang-kaya na. Kusot-kusot tayo in the air. Kusot, kusot. One more time. One more time. Roll. Yon! Higher! Lower! On the other side, single, single. One more time. One more time. And ladies and gentlemen, kusot, kusot. Let's have a roll. Clap. Sabay-sabay. Mabuhay ang bagong kasa! Yun! Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Sina Siricaco, Miss Marjorie Villarin, Miss Jennifer Cocoy, and Miss Risha May Labore. Girls, I know you Sige po. Let's go, girls. Alam ko, pinaktis niyo yan. Palakpakan natin our bridesmaids, ladies and gentlemen! Let's go, girls! Nabigla? Ay, di kami sa... Okay lang yan. Laban lang natin yan. Sa chorus ba? Sa chorus lang tayo, sir. Sa chorus. Ayan. Let's go! Let's go, bridesmaids. Show us your talent this evening. Ay, anong dance step na gawin niyo kung hindi kayo nag-practice? Ayun na. Let's go! Alright, put a photo with us, ladies and gentlemen. Scalda, Mr. Raymar Gosapin, Mr. Antonio Franco, Mr. Christian Igosayano, and Mr. Archie Madriaga. You know, going. Let's go! Sige po. Mahihain sila. O sige, ayun, ituturo namin kayo isa-isa. Ano po, may question, sir? Let's go, sir. Kayo bahala dyan. Kaltag-kaltag lang kayo. Let's go! Sir, turuan mo. Okay. Everybody, let's have our hands. Gusto tayo on the other side. Let's go, one time. Forward. Roll. Iyon. One time. Sige sir, sama kayo. On the other side. Roll. One time. On side. One time. Single, single. One time. All time. Roll. Gusto tayo dyan. One time. Roll. One time. Side. Roll. One time. One time. And let's greet our Renewal. Anong sasabihin natin sa kanila in 3, 2, 1! Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much to our Renewal. You can now proceed in front. To all of our guests, you may now be seated and enjoy the rest of our program. Maayin na po tayong umupo. Yung ceremony earlier and now nakikisaya on your wedding reception party. Kamusta, ma'am?
Sobrang saya ko po at nagpapasalamat ako na nandito silang lahat.
Palakpakan naman natin our beautiful bride, Miss Eileen. And this time, on the other side, alam ko init na siya sa kanyang outfit for this day, but he is very awesome and handsome this afternoon. Palakpakan nga nagsasabing napakagwapo ng ating groom ngayong hapon. Yan. Sir, kamusta naman sa pakiramdam? Si ma'am, sobrang saya. Ikaw, sir, kamusta ang pakiramdam seeing all of those people from your ceremony and up until now nakikisaya on your wedding reception party?
Sa lahat ng pumunta, maraming salamat po talaga sa inyo. Naiyak talaga ako.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Sir Billy. Medyo naging emotional from the very start of our reception. But later on, papaiyakin pa natin si Sir because we will gonna be enjoying. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, and you need a helping hand. And nothing, oh, nothing is going right. Close your eyes. So take this time, Sir Billy, to thank Lola for all the love and support that she gave to you. Even your darkest night, you just called out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, babe, to see you again. Palakpakan naman po natin the grandmother of our groom, Miss Acevida Macagui. So take this time, Sir Benny, na pasalamatan ng iyong mother for all the sacrifices that she made. Simula bata, and up until now, pagtanda mo na at buhay mag-asawa.
Our little girl is now grown, and I remember how sweet when you danced on my feet. Now you stand on your own. You'll always be my little girl, my whole life, my whole world, my little girl. This dance is more than just a dance. It gives me one more chance to show the world how proud I am of you. And as we dance, dance around this room like we did when you were two.
And we know how happy mother is para sa kanyang anak na ngayon ay asawa.
Dance is just for you.
Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, our groom kasama ang kanyang mother ngayong hapon. Thank you so much again. Eileen Orioste Costales and Mr. Walter Orioste. Sa gitna tayo, sir. Take this time na pasalamatan ng isa't isa for all the love and sacrifices.
As I drop to my knees by her bed every night, she talks to Jesus, and I close my eyes, and I thank God for all of the joy in my life. Oh, but most of all, for butterfly kisses after bedtime prayer, sticking little white flowers all up in her hair. Walk beside the pony, Daddy, it's my first ride. I know the cake looks funny, Daddy, but I sure tried. Oh, with all that I've done wrong, I must have done wrong every morning, and butterfly kisses at night.
Palakpakan po natin the ever-supportive father, Nino Orioste Costales.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty.
So take this time to plan out
Nights would seem so long.
as you are gonna be building your own life,
Hear the words so clearly.
building your own family
In love before.
as Mr. and Mrs.
Never
Costales.
felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Please show up. I've never asked for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. Don't wanna change my love for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan natin Mr. and Mrs. Costales. Stay there because thousands of dollars. It's all about the love and support that you gave to our newlywed.
You're the answer when I pray I would find someone, and baby, I found you. And all I want is to hold you forever. And all I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Watch you as you softly sleep. What I'd give if I could keep just this moment. If only time stood still, but the colors fade away, and the years will make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, you'll still be beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever.
Go ahead, ladies and gentlemen, let's share our blessings to our newlywed Eileen and Billy for Go ahead, ladies and gentlemen. You can still pin any amount of money that could help our newlywed.
All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart. I've been broken apart.
future as a one big happy family.
And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in. No turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you.
Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, all of the people who gave their support and love to Eileen and Billy. Thank you so much, Tito. Dito po muna kayo, sir. And let's look on our camera. And blessings to our newlywed. Take note, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ito about sa inyong mga binigay. No? It's all about the love and support that you are continuously giving and showering. And put that one on your small plate. Matamis na cake ngayong gabi. Alright, palakpakan naman natin, ladies and so, have a piece of cake and show to everyone tonight paano mo isusubo ang cake na yan kay Billy. Wow! Sweet lang! Medyo napulutan. And this time, Sir Billy, it's now your time naman to shout to everyone! Ay, bakit naman pupuo? Paano mo ipapasubo ang cake na yan kay Miss Eileen? Go ahead, Sir Billy.
You're still the one I belong to, the one that I belong to.
Yan! And, Miss Eileen, parehas po kayong humiwa ng iyong cake. And,
You're still the one
let's have a crisscross of your hands.
the only one I need.
Cross your hands.
You're still the one I kiss.
Yeah. Cross po kayo ng hands. And smile on our camera first. 1, 2, 3, smile. And eat your sweet cake. Ladies and gentlemen, our newlywed. Palakpakan natin for our cake slicing ceremony this evening. Hanggang icing lang, kahit walang icing. Iyan! And the style that is to us this evening, yung sekretong kayang-kaya mong ibigay sa lahat ng mga guest ngayon kung anong sekreto ninyo ni Miss Eileen. Meron ba?
Madami.
Ah, madami. Naku.
Pero secret nga.
Secret talaga, ayaw ibulong. Pero ma'ams, for being sister of Miss Eileen, kamusta siya simula bata and up until now? Anong klaseng kapatid siya?
Ay, attitude. Totoo.
Attitude.
Bata pa kami, kasi ano siya, lagi siyang kasabay pumasok sa school. Tapos, pag ako yung unang nagigising, ginigising ko siya, tapos inaasikaso ko siya. Pero pag siya yung unang nagigising, wala.
Wala. Walang mag-asikaso.
Oo, nangiiwan talaga.
Nangiiwan. Pero as kapatid, ma'am, in one word, how will you describe your sister?
Partner.
Partner. And as a partner of Miss Eileen for how many years? Being sister, what is your wish, message, as Eileen will be entering a marriage life?
Ang message ko lang sa'yo dahil nag-asawa ka na. Galingan mo lagi sa buhay, tapos alagaan nyo ang isa't isa, tapos yung magiging anak nyo, anak ko din yan. Ayan. Madali lang naman ako lapitan. Lapit lang kayo sa akin pag may kailangan kayo. At lagi lang kami nakasuporta. Hindi lang naman ako, kasi ako ang ate nila, so hindi lang naman ako. Lahat naman kami. Yan. Kahit ano yan, go lang. Yan, mahal kita, tsaka mahal ko na din si Bea.
And that is so sweet. Palakpakan naman po natin our maid of honor, Miss Wood. For how many years that you've been friends or magkapatid po ba kayo, sir? Yan, o. Bilang, or growing up together as brothers, kamusta si Sir bilang kapatid?
Hello, no. Ang kapatid ko lagi kung ano yun yung kaaway.
Kaaway. Aso pusa po ba?
Pero yung sa kapatid ko na yan, kasangga ko rin yan. And then, lahat ng record ko na nakipag-away ako, dahil dyan.
Ay, talaga? Si Sir Billy pa lang may dahilan lahat ng away mo. And Sir, if there could be one thing or one experience or happening in your life na magkasama kayo na hindi mo makakalimutan, ano yung pagkakataon na yun?
Yung nung nagtatrabaho yung mama namin sa Manila. Tapos kami lang dun sa Sablayan. Siyempre, nag-aaway pa rin kami.
Nag-aaway pa rin talaga? Hindi nawawala ang pag-aaway.
Nagkakasundo kami.
Nagkakasundo. And that is so sweet because, di ba, talaga yung mga magkakapatid will support each other no matter what. And Sir, now, as Billy and Eileen is now married, what is your wish or message para sa kanya at sa kanilang dalawa?
Ang message ko lang sa inyo, by the way, welcome to the family, Eileen. And then, ang message ko lang sa inyo, okay lang mag-away, pero kapag ikaw inaway, Billy Joe, masterin mo lang yung art of walking out. Then, balik ulit. And then yung kay Eileen naman, kami kasi yung mga lalaki, ayaw namin ng binubunga kami. So, lahat naman yung kahit siguro daddy mo, ayaw din. So, lang, magbigayan lang kayo, wag lang magsabay na yung parehas init ng ulo. Yun lang naman. Sana seryosohin niyo yung pamilya niyo. And then, kung magkaanak kayo, alagaan niyo. Bigyan niyo ng magandang future. Invest wise. Huwag yung puro luho. And then, unahin niyo yung pamilya. Yun lang naman.
Thank you so much, Sir. Palakpakan naman po natin our best man for tonight. And Sir, can you lead us tonight for our wine toasting this evening? And guys, if you have your waters with you, sige, taas natin yan. Let's raise that one. And of course, our newlywed, may request Billy and Eileen to rise as well. Miss Wilma, lapit ka. Sir, can you lead the wine toasting, wishing a genuine and happy life for our newlywed this evening?
Let's cheers for the newlywed.
Ladies and gentlemen, wishing a genuine and happiness life for our newlywed. Let's have a cheers! And let's drink that wine.
So watch me bring the fire, set the night light.
Ladies and gentlemen, our best man made of honor. Thank you so much, sir. Make sure muna tayo kasama ang ating newlywed. Kung kailangan mo yung isang shot. Thank you so much, guys.
God, maraming salamat po sa blessings na ibibigay po at matatanggap po namin ngayong araw. Maraming salamat po sa araw na ito na ipinagkaloob niyo sa amin at sana po lahat po kami ay mabusog po. Ayun lamang po, maraming salamat.
Amen and amen. You may now be seated for the meeting.
Under the stars, I see everything that led to where we are. And I wouldn't change a thing under the moon. Oh, the wishing that we did is coming true. Like I got magic up my sleeve. And you can't fight the moonlight when it's moving in. And the feeling you're giving me, I'm giving in. You got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking chances like we're kids tonight, like we're 17. Every day that I'm with you, everyone can see, they can see that you bring out the best in me.
You bring the feeling
Thank you so much. Walang naman, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, you know. Sabay. One time. Everyone. Go girl! Yun! Let's go! Yung totoo po, hindi mo alam. 24, taga saan ka, ma'am? Taga Montalban. How many years ng single? Since birth. Yung mga kaibigan niyo sumagot pa on behalf para kami. Sorry, ano pong pangalan ulit, ma'am? Jam, si Jam. Pass the microphone, ma'am. Same question, pangalan, edad, at taga saan ka?
Marjorie po, 27.
Taga saan?
Payatas, in a relationship.
Ah, sorry. Nagalit siya. In a relationship ako ba? For how many years na, ma'am?
1 year na.
1 year. Okay lang yan. Hanggat hindi pa tayo kasal. Laban! Ma'am, pangalan, edad, at taga saan ka naman?
Brizel, 16.
Ah, 16 nung?
Plus 8.
Plus 8. Pinag-add mo pa kami, ha? And taga saan?
Sa Uyo.
Sa Uyo, ayan. Ma'am, pangalan ni Dada, taga saan ka naman?
Ira po, 23. Taga-Taytay.
23 ka na, ma'am? Ah, taray. Mukha siyang bata, no? Oo. And how about you, ma'am? Pangalan ni Dada, taga saan ka naman?
Ewan po, 22 from
Hindi ka naman galit. Ah, hindi naman siya galit. Parang ba? Pero parang walang energy yung kanilang introduction ngayong gabi. So guys, we will gonna be having yourself again. Introduce yourself one more time, but this time level up para kayong mga Miss Universe. So you need to walk here on our aisle, go back here, and introduce your name, age, and your address. So ma'ams, dito muna kayo sa kilid. You know.
Hi, my name is Jimmy Dulia, 24 years old, from Montalban, Rizal.
Thank you so much, now. This time, girl number 2. Palakpakan mo, ladies and gentlemen. You know. Yes. Oh, sorry.
Marjorie, 28. Payatas!
Payatas! Parang sasabihin ni Mama Marjorie, isa pang tawag mo sa akin, kokonyat na kita. And how about this one? Girl number 3, make some noise! You know. Yes. Wow. May boasting.
My name is Brizel, 24 years old, sa Uyo.
Sa Uyo! Thank you so much, ma'am. And this time, palakpakan natin, girl number 4!
Ay, na may M. Arroyo, 22 years old, from Taytay.
Nagmamadali ka ba, ma'am? Hindi naman. Oo, hanggang mo na tayo dito. And last but not the least, girl number 5!
Good evening, everyone. I'm Emma, from 22 years old, from Montalban, Rizal.
Sige po. Thank you po. Hindi na tayo mahihayin si ma'am, no? Ayan, girls, thank you so much. But this time, ano po yun? Bakit pumapalakpak sila? Excited na, nakapili na kung sino. Ayan. Magagaling kayo dyan, boys. Oo, tuwang-tuwa. Girls, it's now your time. Punta tayo dito sa harapan. Sige, punta po kayo dito. Dito po kayo sa gitna. Ayan. And of course, may we call on our beautiful bride with your bouquet this evening. Ma'ams, dito kayo sa gitna. Doon malapit sa cameraman. Miss Ali, do the first show tonight! Oh, sino? Ikaw na, ma'am. Oh, ayan. Thank you so much, ma'am. Oh, ayan. Baka hindi na tayo papasukin ng payatas mamaya. Oo, siya kasi may-ari nun. Sige, bigyan yung isa, huwag niyong bigyan. So, without further ado, Miss Ali, second show, go! Sino? Baby girl, galit na galit, ha? Thank you so much. Meron na lamang tayong 1, 2, and 3 girls for tonight. So, Miss Eileen, it's now your time again to throw that bouquet in 3, 2, 1, go! Sino? Ayan. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am. Ayan, oo. Tayo lang kayo, ha? Tayo lang. Bawal na mag-agawan. Sir, bawal na mag-agawan. Kung kanino hihinto or tatapat yung ating bouquet will be out on our game. Okay? Oh, dyan lang kayo. Bahala kayo mag-usap kung saan pa kayo, kaliwa o kanan. Kung kanino tatama ang or tatapat ang ating bouquet will be out on our game tonight. So, without further ado, Ms. Eileen, it's now your time. Kung kanino mo, ayan, kinakabahan na yung ating dalawang pair. Mouse, what is your name again? Para matandaan ni Ms. Eileen, si Ms. Eva and Frizel. So, again, kung sinong mahihintuan ay out sa ating game. Alright? At kung sinong hindi will be staying for our game this evening. So, Ms. Eileen, it is now your time to shine. Throw that bouquet. Go ahead now. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now go back on your seat, Ms. Frizel. Dito ka. Opo. Ano po sabi ko kanina, kung sinong may hintuan ay tapa-out sa game natin. Tuwang-tuwa ang boys. Oo. Ms. Frizel, upo ka dito sa iyong mahiwagang upuan. Yan. Opo. Dito ka lang. Oo, yan. Yan. Pangalan, edad, taga saan at ilang taon ka ng single?
RD 28, taga-tagig, 1 year.
1 year na. Sir, anong dahilan ng breakup ninyo? Ayaw. Wala. Sorry. Nadala na ako ng emosyon. Sir, wait lang. Wala, papapakilala pa lang siya. Sir, pangalan, edad, at taga saan ka?
Arnold Lagitan, 27, Tagig.
Tagig, ang layo. Ilang taon ka ng single, sir? Walang ganon. Ayaw din. Oo. Sir, pangalan, edad, at taga saan ka rin?
Adric Cabrera, 26, Tagig City.
Tagig din. And how many years ka ng single, sir?
Hindi po single eh.
Hindi ka single. Asan po siya? Saan? Okay lang yan, ma'am. Stay ka lang dyan, ha? Walang mangyayari masama sa iyong asawa. Sir, pangalan ni Dada, taga saan ka rin?
Genesis Pinto, taga Basilan.
Basilan. Sige po. Mas malayo siya kasi kayo tagig lang kayo eh. Ilang taon ka na, sir?
25 po.
25. And how many years ka ng single?
2 years.
2 years na siyang single. And how about you, sir? Pangalan, edad, at taga saan ka naman?
Ole Bacalia, South Cotabato.
South Cotabato. How many, ilang taon ka na, sir?
27 years.
27. At ilang taon ka ng single?
Hindi naman ako single, married na nga.
Ay, married na pala siya, sir eh. Mababaril tayo dito mamaya, mag-viral tayo. Pero okay lang yan, sir. Diyan ka lang, sir. Pero yan, parang wala silang energy din magpakilala. No? So, this time, I'm gonna be putting a number sa lahat ng ating boys. Kayo si 1, 2, 3, 4, at 5. At kapag tinawag ko ang inyong number, mga sirs, you need to proceed here in front and do some kaldag with our Jumbo. Kaya naman, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, music muna tayo dyan, maestro. 1! Kaldag! Let's go! Number 1! Number! One more time! Ikot! Let's go! Ayan, sir, chorus! And 1, 2, 3, let's go! Boy number 1! Yeah! One more time! Thank you so much! Boy, sir, dito ka lang mag-stay. Oo. Baka tumakbo kayo eh. Dito ka lang. Without further ado! Isa po, sir, chorus ulit. Wala. Sir, wait na po. Sir, wait na. Second, wala. Sir, wala pa, pero ang taas ng ulo mo, ha? Oo. Parang 6-footer doon. Wait na, sir. Wala po yung kanta, sir. Doon tayo sa chorus, ha? Sa chorus tayo. Okay ba, sir? Okay, sir. Dito ka, sir. Dito ka sa gitna. Yan. Make some noise for boy number 2, Music Maestro! Hey! Sama! Yan! Sama! Sama! Yan! Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya sa kung nagtatapol ko o ano eh. Thank you so much, sir! Kaya naman, boy number 3, Music Maestro! Wow! Sama! Music for our boy number 4! Let's go, sir! Kaldag mo ng todo! 1, 2, 3, go! Yun! One more time! Sus. Next! Anong request mo, sir? Sabay sila ni Billy Joe. Oo. Kaya naman, without further ado, boy number 5, together with our crew, Billy Music Maestro! Let's go! 1, 2, 3, go! One more time! One more time! Stop! Thank you so much, sir. Ayan. Akala mo nasa fiesta si sir, yung may itlog dito na sigawa niya. Boys! Nasa na kayo? Pan? Yung 5? Oo. And may we request, Sir Billy? Sir, sayaw, sir, sayaw! Sayaw! Yeah! Pasok, sir. Iyon! Gamit bibig. Ay, ang bilis! Hindi man lang nagalaw ang buhok. Palakpakan natin! Our girl, Billy! Thank you so much, sir. Diyan ka lang, sir. Our beautiful girl, Anya. Let's go! Sige po, sir. Pasa-pasa nila. Let's go! Kung sino may hintuan, tanggal sa music. Ayaw talaga nila. Thank you so much, sir. You can now go back on your seat. Yan, oo. Meron na lang tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Ay, no, wait. Hindi pa, sir. Hindi pa. And then, sige po, pass the garter over. Ay, nakagaw. Ano po? Ay, thank you so much, sir. Hinahanap ka na ng iyong asawa. Ma'am, okay na. Nabalik na namin. Hello? Na makakasama ngayon. So, without further ado, Music Maestro. Sir, thank you so much. Maaari na po kayo umupo. Baka sapakin niya ako. Sino si Idol? Oo, ayan si sir. Malay mo, sir, sa kanya mahinto. Di ba? Hindi ka naman kakilala ng tech natin ngayong gabi. So, without further ado, Garter Game, pass the 1 over Music Maestro. Brown out. Ang galing ng tugtog. Hindi kasi, sir, kanina kasi, sa sobrang lakas ng kaldag ni sir, natanggal yung kuryente. Ngayon, sa sobrang lakas din ng tugtog natin, nawala. Kaya huminto sa kanya. Sayang. Kaya naman, huwag na natin patagalin pa, Miss Brisel. Dito ka sa harapan, tayo ka, ma'am. Yan. Sir, wait lang. Huwag nyo naman kasi, dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang, sir. Tapos, konting bukas ng botones. Ganun, okay lang yan, sir. Lower! Yan! Lagyan mo yung bulaklak. Yan. Pasok mo muna sa paa niya, sir. Yan. Taas angat mo. Ano ang sigaw ng bayan? Oops, wait lang, sir. Baba ka pa kasi, nakatrash eh. Baba ka. Yan. Anong sigaw ng bayan? Sir. Hindi, gamit bibig. Yan. Yan. Sumasabit lang. Ang daming dahilan, ha? Sigaw ng bayan! Wala pa mababa. Sigaw ng bayan! So, okay na po ba kayo dito? Taas mo pa, sir. Taas mo pa. Ups! Okay na ba tayo dyan? Ano sigaw ng bayan? Sir, one last higher pa daw. Yan. And Sir Billy, Miss Brisel, dito po kayo. Taon ka na ulit? 27. And how about you, Miss Brisel? 24. Ano bang hinahanap ni Miss Brisel sa mga lalaki? Ano po? Mga qualities lang that you want for boys?
Mabait.
Mabait? Mabait po ba si Sir Arnold? Ay, mabait. Ano pang hinahanap mo, ma'am?
Makulit.
Makulit? Makulit ba si Sir Arnold? Makulit yan. Tuwang-tuwa sa mother, oh. Sabi niya, sana ako na lang. One last na quality na hinahanap mo. Mapagmahal. Mapagmahal ba Sir Arnold? At dahil dyan, kamay-kamay naman po tayo. Yun. And have a photo opportunity. Come na po, baka masapak tayo. Palagpakan natin, Brizelle and Arnold this evening. Thank you so much, guys.
24 years.
24 years. And sir, sa 24 years na yon, anong may bibigay mong advice or message, payo para sa kanilang mag-asawa ngayong gabi? Go ahead, sir.
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Bilang nauna sa inyo, ang may bibigay kong payo sa inyo, kayo ay hindi na isa, ngunit kayong dalawa ay nagiging isa na. So bilang mag-asawa, lalaki, responsibility mo na provide ang pangangailangan ng iyong pamilya o asawa. Therefore, Billy Joe, that's the time na ibibigay mo na yung ATM mo kay Aileen. Another thing is, ikaw ang haligi ng tahanan, ikaw ang magpapasya, ngunit sa pagpapasang iyan, katuwang mo ang iyong asawa, na si Aileen, sapagkat ikaw ang ilaw ng tahanan, ikaw ang magbibigay ng suggestion, recommendation, upang si Billy Joe ang magbibigay ng kapasyahan. Hindi po pwedeng isa lamang sa inyo ang magpapasya. Respect each other, pagmamahalan kayo, lalong higit sa lahat, nasa serbisyo ka pareho. Billy Joe, ikaw ay may asawa na ngayon. So, kung ano man yung nakagis na natin ng araw na tayo ay single, so we are focused to our wife, Aileen. Then iwasan natin yung pagsisilisan. Isa yon sa dahilan na pag-aaway ng mag-asawa, yung selos. So kailangan sa inyo, iwala sa isa't isa. And ang pinakamahalaga, communication. So kung meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan, dapat pag-usapan nyo agad-agad. Huwag nyo ipagpabukas, sapagkat iba na yung bukas kaysa ngayon. So, masarap magkaroon ng pamilya, ngunit ito ay mahirap din, very challenging, sapagkat pag nagkakaroon na kayo ng magiging mga anak nyo, panibagong yugto na naman ng pag-adjust natin. So, sapagkat pareho kayong nasa serbisyo, ang pinakamahirap dyan kung saan natin iiwanan yung ating mga anak. So, challenging yun. Napakahirap din. Especially kung ma-assign kayo sa malayo. So, ang iling ko lang sa inyo, sana masaya kayo, mapagtagumpayan nyo kung ano man yung pagsubok nyo sa buhay, ay idasal natin sa taas, sapagkat wala namang imposible siguro kung nandyan ang gabay ng ating Panginoon. So always pray and ask guidance at saka tulong sa ating Panginoon, sapagkat kung walang Panginoon sa buhay natin na mag-asawa, ay palaging nandoon yung tukso sa atin. So iwasan natin ang tukso. So sa muli, maraming salamat and magandang gabi.
Thank you so much. Palapakan po natin, Sir Richard Calasueva. Sir, picture muna tayo with Billy and Aileen after of your relationship up until your marriage life. And bagong kasal, ano yung mga messages, tips para maibigay sa kanila para magtagal yung kanilang relasyon. Dito tayo, sir, sa tabi nila.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyong dalawa, pagiging nyo mabuti yung pagsasama nyo. At kung ano man may problema, solusyonan kaagad para hindi tumagal ng kahit na kinabukasan ma-resolve natin para hindi tayo humantong sa paghiwalayan. Yan lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, sir. Picture muna tayo, sir. Will be coming from the loving and ever supportive parents of our bride. Let's call on here in front of Mr.
Aday, masasabi ko lang huwag kayong yung kunting pagkakaunawaan, pag-usapan ninyo. At saka magtiwala kayo sa isa't isa, lalo pat mapapalayo ka ng destino, siya din sa kabila naman. Magtiwala lang kayo sa isa't isa. At Saka iwasan nyo yung pagselos-selos ba. Kasi yun ang umpisa ng away, mga selos-selos. At saka mag-ingat kayo sa trabaho lang ninyo kasi alam ko naman na delikado. Yun lang, hindi ako magkasalita ng marami.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin si Father Walter. Picture muna tayo, Father. Thank you so much, Father, sa pagpapalaki ng inyong anak na napakabuti and of course, coming from your heart to Billy and Eileen.
Para sa mga anak ko, pagbutihin niyo yung magiging isang ina, magiging isang ama. Salamat, Billy. Ingatan mo mabuti ang anak ko. Salamat.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin. Mother, picture muna tayo. The short but very sweet message para sa kanilang anak. And of course now, may asawa na si Ms. Eileen, which is Sister Billy. And now they'll be building their own family ngayon. Maraming salamat. Anak na si Billy and si Eileen.
Ngayong mag-asawa na kayo, sana magmahalan kayo, walang silusan. Kung ano man ang pagkakaunawaan, pag-usapan ng mabuti, ha? Huwag masyadong, ikaw lalo ka, buntis ka. Kaya, relax ka lang. Sana, huwag mo pabayaan si Eileen, ha? Mahalan kayo ng tapat, tumagas. I love you all. God bless.
Thank you so much, Mother. Palakpakan naman natin si Mother. We can really feel the love of the mother of our one another. Thank you so much, Mother, for your message para sa iyong anak na si Billy and si Eileen. And this time, their wedding ceremony and now your celebration or reception party. Tayo po tayo, Sir Billy and Ms. Eileen.
Inulit ko, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na pumunta. Yung iba po, napakalayo pa ng pinanggalingan, pero sobrang thank you sa inyo lahat. Yun lang. God bless to all.
Thank you so much for your message, Sir Billy. Palakpakan naman natin our groom, Sir Billy Costales. And this time, our beautiful bride, Ms. Eileen. Ano naman ang iyong message sa lahat ng tumulong from preparation to your ceremony and up until now, joining your reception party?
Magandang gabi sa lahat. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga tao na nandito, na naging parte ng paghanda namin kahit napakaikli lang na panahon na mairaos itong aming kasal. Salamat sa mga kapatid ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, kabady ko na nandito, na kahit na malayo, pinuntahan pa rin nila ako. Salamat sa magulang ko, sa patuloy na suporta, sa pamilya ni Billy. Sobrang salamat Mama Brenda sa pagtanggap. Sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, napakasaya naming dalawa ni Billy na sinamahan niyo kami hanggang dito. Nagpapasalamat kami sa inyong lahat.
Palakpakan naman po natin, ladies and gentlemen, our newlywed Mr. and Mrs. Costales. And, of course, palakpakan din ninyo inyong mga sarili for joining their once-in-a-lifetime occasion, ang kanilang ceremony and reception party. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, to officially end our celebration and our night, let's give the white dove to our newlywed this evening. That symbolizes your new journey. Just like a white dove, you're gonna be exploring the married life. And we'll always go back to each other as partner. Ms. Eileen and Sir Billy, harapan po kayong dalawa. Kiss po kayo. Bilangan natin sila ng 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. On my cue, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is very sweet. And now, on my cue, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay nating isigaw, mabuhay ang bagong kasal. And once you heard ang mabuhay ang bagong kasal, you can now release that white dove that symbolizes your new journey as husband and wife, and of course, as Mr. and Mrs. Costales. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay tayo on my cue. 3, 2, 1. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. And now, for the very last time on our event this evening, ladies and gentlemen, one last request. Maaari niyo bang dalhin yung inyong mga table napkins? Sige po. At punta tayong lahat dito sa harapan. Ladies and gentlemen, bring your table napkins with you and let's proceed here in front. Oh. And let's have a kiss! Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. My name once again is Host Pride. Thank you so much on behalf of Yanas Catering Services. Samahan ng musikero ng Pinas and Jmar Photo and Video Services. This is Billy and Eileen Wedding Reception Party. Have a nice day, everyone.